If you are in San Jacinto and you just found water in your house, the first thing I would tell you is do not wait. Shut off what you can, stay away from anything electrical, and get someone there who knows how to document the damage the right way. A lot of these jobs start with a burst pipe, a slab leak, or an old copper line that fails behind a wall. The water you can see is usually only part of the problem. What we are looking for is where the water traveled, what materials are still wet, and what needs to be opened up so the house can actually dry. PL Builders handles the emergency side, the photos, the moisture readings, the pack out when it is needed, and the repair plan after the dry out. Then we can help put the home back together, whether that means flooring, drywall, cabinets, trim, paint, or a full rebuild. If you want one local San Jacinto contractor to help you understand the damage and the repair path, call PL Builders. The number is 951-692-7688.